My dependency is changing. She ain't got nothing on my bitch. She don't know what to do with this. She might have everything.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with a new video, and today I'm featuring Ashley Mary hair. Shout out to Ashley Mary for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump right into this look. So today I got my hands on one of the Invisible Strap 360 Snug Fit lace wigs. This is a 360 snug lace wig, and it has clear invisible straps. This wig also has bleach knots, and the lace is pre-cut. So this is a very easy install, quick, no cutting lace. The thing with 360 wigs, for myself, I usually have to put it on to determine where I want to cut the lace. Then I take it off to cut the lace and I put it back on. It could be very tedious, but the fact that this is pre-cut and the knots are pre-bleached is going to save you all that time. So what I like about this upgraded invisible strap is it's very snug. So you do not have to tack down the back of the wig if you don't want to. You can wear this glueless in the back. I didn't tack down the back. I used a little bit of adhesive in the front, which I wasn't going to do at first. In the beginning of the video, you see that I did not start off with adhesive, but I decided I wanted to just because I was going to try a few different styles, which I will show you towards the end of this video. The fact that this cap is such a snug fit, you do not need it. So I have this in 24 inches. On the website, it is available in 14 inches all the way up to 26. So you can definitely choose depending on what your preference is. And for the exact wig that I have, it is $344.99. I will have all the links down in the description box. Ashley Mary is having a sale. It's a fresh spring sale right now. So if you want to shop their wigs and save some money, definitely head on over there. If I have any discount codes, that will be in the comment section as well as the description box. So be sure to check that out. But a little bit more about styling this hair. I showed you how this hair looks in the wet state, in the dry state. I showed you how it looks with a little bit of hair mousse. I also show you this in a middle part, a half up, half down, a high bun, and a flip over method without a part. So there is so many different styles. There are so many different styles you can achieve with this wig. And what I love the most is the curl pattern. This water wave curl pattern is gorgeous. I don't know, but I feel like water wave might be my favorite curl pattern. I love a deep curly, but something about water wave and the carefree look that it has, I just absolutely love it. So once again, shout out to Ashley Mary for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all. Definitely head over there, use the link in the description box, and let me know what you guys think about this clear strap, invisible clear strap, and this snug fit. And I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.
I'll come and slap at 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. $400 for your fucking hair, $200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear. fucking air. Too early for your fucking nails. Choose the red. So I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dread. So bring your ass up.
Show tonight, I hit all the notes that I know you like. You know I'm a pro and I'm on the mic. We already here, so turn off the lights. Yeah, you had a lot to say. No more talking, you can use that mouth in other ways. Cause I want it now. I want it now. Now, and I won't say it again. Oh, you know I don't get naughty for anybody. I won't say it again. Even though this ain't the first time I said it one time, I ain't gon' say it again. Time to turn what you've been asking into actions. I won't say it again. I won't say it again. Yeah. Here we go. Baby, give me all of that ego. You say it's food for thought, let me feed you. This ain't even a half, it's a preview. Yeah, I had a lot to say.